And if you have registered onto Clubscraft and registered your club, then the first thing you will encounter is a blank screen with no members. And we all know that your club exists for the main purpose of giving your members the best possible training. So there are two ways you can add members into your club. One is the manual way of entering all the necessary data on your own. If your athlete is a minor, then you can also add legal guardians, which then will in turn be able to log into them. But the more quicker way is to import the members. So if you have a spreadsheet file with the data of your athletes, then you can simply select it here and start using it. If you don't have any files, then you can just click the template, which we provided with some demo data in it, and then you can see how you should structure your data in order to get your members into the system. So let's check this one out now. If you haven't downloaded the template or you don't have it, you can simply click on the Get Template button. Otherwise, you select whatever file you have. In my case, this is the template that we provide for you. And then we have, after it loads in, the data for our small club of 3 members. The first thing you need to do is tell Clubscraft what each individual column represents, and after that we will be able to create the profiles and accounts for your members. So let's do this right away. So you simply go column by column, select whatever this column in particular means, and you simply go through the list and populate each individual data point. If your athlete is a minor, then you have to register some legal guardian, maybe parents, grandparents, whoever it is. And the same thing applies. We say that we have the legal guardian's first name and last name, and an email which we will use to create an account and then also verify that they are able to log into. And then the last piece is, if you already have predefined teams, you can enter them here in the column for teams, where you also have to keep in mind that you can either create teams or you can create team divisions. So for example, the last row shows a race team member, while the first one has recreation juniors. So we will create a team named recreation, and then the division within the recreations is going to be called juniors. And after we have assigned all the data or all the columns and their individual data type, we can then select which of these we want to import. We can also select all. And if we find that some of the data isn't correct, we can, for this particular row, we just click edit, enter something, fix some data, maybe fix a phone number or whatever you have seen that is wrong. You hit save, and after that you just simply click save, and your members are going to be imported. And as you can see, all of these are now marked as imported. What we have done now in the background is we've created accounts for all of these people. If they are minor, then we will use the email of their legal guardian and send them an activation email. If they are an adult or are logging in with their own email, then they will get the activation email to this particular mail. And as you can see, we now have also these two teams. We have a race team, we have recreation, and then also recreation juniors. And our 3 members have been imported and assigned their individual teams. So now you can start making some changes, adding more people to it. But I really think that Clubscraft really enables you to really easily import a vast number of your members into the club and start training with them right away. So that's it for this time. I see you in a future video where we are going to talk about how we can add training sessions and how you can also add different staff members and then assign them individual roles so that your club can really function the way you expect it to. So thank you again and see you next time. Bye bye.